Have you ever had a potential customer right on the edge of a decision, only for them to suddenly vanish? It is easy to assume that silence means they simply lost interest in what you were offering. Usually, that sudden retreat is actually triggered by a spike in internal uncertainty. Think of the journey from interested to sold as asking someone to step across a massive, intimidating drop. To a buyer, a confusing offer or a complicated next step looks exactly like a dangerous fraying rope bridge. We are wired to step back from anything that feels unsafe. When the path ahead is blurry, our instinct is to return to the solid ground of doing nothing. The first place a sale usually gets stuck is with the problem of unclear value. When we use industry-specific buzzwords or list dozens of technical features, it doesn't sound impressive, it just sounds like hard work. A great way to test your message is to see if a 12-year-old could explain your business after hearing about it once. If they can't, the message is still too complex. Confusing phrases act like missing floorboards, creating gaps that make buyers hesitate. Stripping away jargon fills those gaps, giving them a firm place to step. Without clear understanding, customers won't feel safe moving forward. Even with a clear message, the sale can stop if there is a lack of proof. A buyer might understand your offer perfectly, but they are still quietly wondering if your solution will actually work for someone like them. Before committing, buyers search for reviews. This doubt acts like a thick fog, hiding the finish line. Placing testimonials right where buyers see them clears the fog. Seeing others successfully cross gives them visibility to keep walking. The final stopping point is the fear of taking a risk. Humans have a natural quirk where the pain of making a mistake feels much heavier than the excitement of a potential win. High costs and complicated signups make the drop look steeper, causing buyers to lose balance and freeze. Free trials or simple guarantees act like sturdy handrails. Lowering the penalty for a wrong choice makes saying yes easy. The most effective way to help someone buy is to clear away the small fears that make them want to turn around. Take 10 seconds to search for your own business online. Does a stranger see immediate proof that you are a safe choice? Look at your last few marketing posts. Is the message so simple that a 12-year-old could explain it back to you? Finally, check your first step. Is it obvious? And more importantly, does it feel completely safe to start? Addressing these three areas, clarity, proof, and risk, dramatically changes how many people complete the journey. Sustainable growth often comes from simply building a safer, sturdier bridge for the people who are already standing at the edge.